Hello everybody, this is Sergio Explains and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Sergio Explains. Today I want to talk about Dewars, and right here I'm going to pour myself a glass of the standard 12-year-old, a little copita of it just to taste it. I bought this particular bottle because it came in a set with two minis, and I collect minis, and these I don't have them. I hadn't seen them before, at least not with these labels. And we have a 15 and we have an 18-year-old. So I bought them like that. I put the parafilm on top to avoid evaporation, at least until the day that I decide to drink them or someone else decides to drink them. But since some of these evaporate very often, the first thing I did was put that parafilm on them. But they're good and nice collectibles, and they are good pours to drink. Now this, the 12-year-old, it's an inexpensive whiskey. If, it is okay. It is a peated blend. It has smoke and peat in it. It is very noticeable that it has that peat, and the bottle itself is very nice. It has some embossed drawings here in the back and here, so it's a nice, but it's not the 12-year-old. It's just maybe like an everyday drinker, not the top of the line. But what I have here, in addition to the 15 and the 18, 15 and 18, yes, I recommend them. They are great pours. And what's considered more like top of the line is what I have here, the signature. And the signature, this one's empty. I already drank it. It was an extraordinary pour. I'll get it out of the way because that's empty. This is the one that I still have unopened. And if you read what it says here, this is based on... This blend is based on the 27-year-old Aberfeldy, and I don't remember having read that when I had this one, but I can tell. I should have known. This is an awesome blend, top of the line, extraordinary pour. And since I collect whiskey bottles that come in wooden boxes, this is just like right for me. I also have a collection of signs and mirrors, and like you see up here, that's the Johnny Walker one. I have a Dewars mirror that is like this big. Let me see if I can show you a photo of it. And it's right here, right next to me. I'll show you a photo of it. So this is it. I wanted to talk about it. The only reason I bought the 12 and I'm having it is because I wanted to get the two minis, which I really, really enjoy. And so here we go. Cheers to you. It's not bad. It's not that the 12 is bad. It's just that after having the other ones, it's not as good, and you always want to get back to the signature or to at least the 15 and 18, and this does not measure up to it, but it is a cheap one. So if you want to start with some, you can start with this one, and if you do get, like I did, you get the set with the 15 and 18, not only for collection, these are great for tasting them, and you can tell right away whether you like it or not. I'm sure you're going to like it. This stands by itself. Maybe I would put a little bit of water, a little bit of ice in it just to cut the sharpness that it has. The taste of inexpensiveness that it has. So there you go. I talked to you about Dewars for a little bit. I do have a lot of other bottles in my collection, brands of all types and collectibles and minis, etc. And I'm going to continue posting videos about them. So Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sergio Explains, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.